So imagine a snake that predicts your next move before you can even make it. Welcome to another episode of Nature is Lit, and today we are talking about the tentacled snake. And it's definitely given I'm about to take over the world vibes. So it was first discovered in 1800 by a French naturalist, and it lives in Cambodia, Thailand, and Vietnam. It really prefers those rice paddies, slow-moving water, swamp kind of environments. That's right, this snake is fully aquatic, rarely comes to land, and right at the front of its head, two little fleshy tentacles. And these two little tentacles aren't just decorative. They're not there to make this snake look like an absolute X-Men. Those things are actually packed with a ton of mechanoreceptors, which are tiny little motion sensors that can sense the tiniest bit of vibration in water. And here's the wild part, because you know it always has to get a little bit gritty. Fish have built-in escape reflexes. Whenever they're threatened, they'll turn their body into a little C, turn the opposite direction quickly, and run away. That is evolutionarily built into their bodies. And here's where the tentacle snake is definitely in its evil genius era. Tentacle snake doesn't chase, it tricks. It fakes a movement on one side of the fish, triggering the fish's escape reflexes. And then the fish launches directly into the snake's mouth. Imagine evolution betraying you like that. And what the tentacle snake is doing is called predictive hunting. So scientists have been looking at this hunting behavior using high-speed cameras in juvenile snakes, and they're finding that these juvenile snakes are able to do this without any training, meaning that this move, this tactic, is actually hardwired into their bodies. Translation, it means that this animal is born knowing how to manipulate prey behavior. That's pretty lit. That's pretty lit. Current research is looking at how the nervous system encodes this behavior, whether the tentacles evolved once or independently of that behavior, and how sensory specialization drives evolutionary success. This is evolutionary psychology, but in the water. Get in the water. So when people try to tell you that snakes are simple, remind them that there's one out here running mind games in a rice paddy. As always, here's some information so you can do your deeper dive. And remember, nature is lit and it is for everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. It's always appreciated. And thank you for rocking with me.